See this. Ooh, a mystery box. No way! You got new shoes! They're so stylish. What is wrong with your hair? It keeps going in my eyes. I can fix this. Leave it to me. I've sketched out a hair clip. Now I'll fill it in with a 3D pen. This will solve all your problems. Trust me. Time to fill it in. Purple is the perfect color. You're gonna love this. This won't take long. But I'm not done. I'll add pink lines to it. It's a great contrast. That's it. Now I need to press it together. Then I'll stick it in place. I think it's ready. I better give it to Claire. What do you think? They're so colorful! Wait! I'll make something for you. I'll grab my 3D pen. I'll draw a love heart. I'll fill it in with pink plastic. They're so cute. I'll need to join them together. I'll line them up. I'm not gonna use glue. My 3D pen will take care of it. I'll keep a small gap between the hearts. This will give it a 3D effect. There's one more thing to do. I need something for the back of it. This is ideal. I'll stick it to the heart. And that's it. It looks fantastic! It'll make the perfect shoe accessory. I made lots more. Wow! Your shoes went to the next level! You did that for me? I can't believe it! Okay, my turn. Wow, this feels good. Take it easy. Hold still. That wasn't supposed to happen. Do you need this hair? Huh? What have you done? Thanks for the shoes. I better go to the salon. Okay, I think I'm ready. I'll put my phone here. And record. Hi everyone, welcome back. I've got something special planned. Wait a second. No, don't even think about it. Back off! Are you kidding me? Get out of here, kitty! Hang on. What's this? This might fix everything. I made a phone stand. Let's try this again. So, like I was saying, I just love this perfume. Look, my butler is hard at work.
Oh, I'm on camera. I'm not paid enough for this.
Ignore him.
It's glorious. May I?
Wow! My new necklace. It's beautiful. I feel like a princess. You're ruining the shot. Ooh, a mystery envelope. Let's open them. I'll go first. Aw, it's so cute. Okay, here goes. Wish me luck. Hold on. Huh. I'm all out of plastic. I don't have that problem. Oh, I'm so jealous! Wait. I got it. I don't need fancy plastic. I can use crayons. I'll start with the head. I'll make sure I stay in the lines. I'll switch crayons now. I need to use red for the nose. Then I can color the mouth. This is going well. I'm enjoying myself. It's gonna be perfect. I'll use yellow for the bell. And add some little details. What's next? Ah, I know. I need to draw whiskers. This is the easy part. Looking good. Next I'll color the eyes. And then I can do the rest of the white fur. I think that should do it. My work here is done. It's a masterpiece! Wait, you did that? Look, I got a butterfly. Let's do this. I'll start with the wing. I want to use bright colors. It needs to be the prettiest butterfly ever. Now I can start to fill it in. This section will be purple. What color should I use next? Oh, this pink will do. This can be the middle part of the wing. There's one last part to fill in. I'll use a bright pink for this. Then the wings will be done. I still need to color the body. And I know what color to use. A light blue. I'll work my way down. I don't want any gaps. Now for the finishing touches. I want this butterfly to sparkle. I'll add little gems to it. That should do. I'm not sure now. It needs more bling. I'll just use my diamonds. Daddy gave me them for pocket money. They'll do the job. I'll place them around the wing. This is more like it. It's just how I imagined it. Take a look at this. Wow, it's wonderful!